Hello family, this is me doing manual labor. I'm trying to get this stand-up garden thingy together. It said on the instructions it takes 5 minutes, but that's not the truth. I've probably been working on this for an hour. Oh Jesus, look at me. Yeah, we're almost there, y'all. He is almost there. Uh-oh. We may not always be. This needs to be in further. Allah. Let's see. We gotta get this in here. Allah. This is Honey trying to help me. Yeah, we see it sticking out. It's supposed to be in there. Yeah, see?
You should probably unscrew it again and put it back on. It's probably the only way you can
Oh,
do
my. Don't say that.
I'm sorry, but
I finally got it in the slot. And then I realized, oh no, the top of it is, this is why I went to college.
and why I sent you.
Yeah, that's why Mom sent me.
Told you. I was like, you would not make it in a factory, dear.
Mom, I would if I had to.
No, you wouldn't. Roz tried.
Oh, bless her heart.
She tried for what? 2 months. Did she make it 2 months? I'm gonna have to ask her how long did she make it at Caterpillar. I don't even think she made it a month.
Joel is over here. Let me get the video. Honey is over here working. He be trying to get these. The screws is right there over. You just put the thing on top of them. Honey, this is Honey. He is working hard. Okay, he just got here. He just got here. I done did this whole thing. I did the
Women's power. Women's lib.
I done did this whole thing. He just got.
Whatever.
The legs ain't on good, so you might have to use your muscles to push it down a little bit. See that gap right there?
Women's lib. Right?
See that gap a little bit right there?
I probably
Need to
would
get
have
him
been together in 5 minutes.
Whatever, mother. We know that you're more manual labor than me, okay? You don't have to rub it in.
know. I'm not rubbing it in because you did good, considering you never put anything together. Like
I do put
you
things.
do furniture, don't you?
I put some stuff together.
Okay, that's what I'm saying. If you do furniture, I've been working on the pot. So this
Been
is
working on the pot. Let me see if I can get to the dirt. Where is it? Yeah. I'm not good with maneuvering cameras. There it is. See the pot? She's worked up the soil pretty well with her little butter knife because I can't find my little garden shovel. It's all together somewhere in a green tote in the garage. And anyway, stay tuned for our finished product.